Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a percentage by a whole number. The steps to take are 1. You change the percentage to a fraction. 2. You multiply out your fraction and then you simplify. Sometimes it's easier to simplify first before you multiply out the fraction. Let's go ahead and try out the following examples. In the first example, we are going to find 2% of 14. Remember, on the first step, we need to change a percentage into a fraction. We have that number that is written as a percentage over 100 times 14. Any whole number is over 1. In this example, we are going to multiply out first before we simplify. At the top, we have a numerator, 2 times 14, over a denominator, 100 times 1. 2 times 14 is 28, and at the bottom we have 100 times 1, which is 100. This is a proper fraction, but we are going to look for a factor that will go in 28 and 100 without a remainder. That factor is a 4. And remember, when you're simplifying fraction, whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. 28 divided by 4 at the top is going to give us 7. And at the bottom, 100 divided by 4 is going to give us 25. Let's try out another example. In this example, we are going to find 5% of 30. Remember, the first step, we change a percentage into a fraction and we multiply by a whole number. In the first example, we multiply out before we simplify. In this example, we are going to simplify first before we multiply out. Like we did earlier, we are going to look for the same factor that can go in at the top and at the bottom. If we divide 30 by 10 and we divide 100 by 10, we still have a 5 over 100 divided by 10 is a 10, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. We can still simplify by dividing the 5 by a 5 and 10 by a 5. Why? Because 10 is a multiple of 5. We have 5 divided by 5 will give us a 1. 10 divided by 5 will give us a 2 times 3 over 1. There's nothing to simplify, so now we multiply out our fraction. We multiply our numerator, 1 times 3 over a denominator, and this will give us 3 over 1. 3 over 2. We can further change this improper fraction into a mixed number. Using a long division, 2 in 3 will give us 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So we have one whole number, remainder 1 out of 2. Let's go ahead and try the following challenges. In the first challenge, we have 3% of 15. And in the second one, you have to find 7% of 30. You can pause the video and work it out and see if we have the same answer. For the first one, we will have 9 over 20. And for the second challenge, we're going to have 21 over 10, which we can further change into a mixed number, 2 whole number, 1 over 10. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe below. Bye.